Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, Iconic Career Mentor, #1 best-selling author and recipient of India's Top Career Counselor Award. In my Iconic Career Stories talk show, I have a guest today. His name is Ninad Joshi. Ninad is an HR professional with interests in employee relations and compliance. Welcome Ninad to the show.
Thank you, Sushant sir.
So Ninad, I will now let you do the talking. Okay. So please tell me about yourself, what you do and how you help professionals and your companies.
Okay, so firstly, I will start with my education qualification. So, I have completed LLB plus MBA in HR. And before starting my career in HR, I worked for 2 years as an advocate, and I was practicing in the labor and industrial law areas. And I am having total 11 years of experience in industrial HR management. And at present, I am working as a HR manager in a US-based multinational company. And actually, I am experienced in the entire gamut of HR. But my area of expertise is, you can say, employee relation and compliances. So that is my area of expertise.
Right. So you're one of those HR professionals who has a legal background. You have an LLB degree.
Yes.
So naturally, you're more leaning towards labor relations and compliance and related areas.
Yes, that's my cup of tea. That is, I believe that is in my DNA. So definitely, I have developed expertise in that area, and I am having also first-hand experience of handling court matters. So that also benefited me a lot actually in dealing with complicated legal issues, dealing with companies advocate. Investigation, disciplinary management issues.
Yeah. So Ninad, it's been some time since you and I have been working together. Now tell me what before you met me, right? Before you met me, what were some of the challenges that you're facing in your career?
Actually, I don't have a career clarity. So I was actually grappling in the dark, and that was a major problem. So I was not able to focus on HR activities also. And I actually got advice from some HR professionals. So some advised me to do a CS course. Some advised me to change your role to legal manager or some legal field actually. So that will be actually some different job profile. Some told that perhaps legal field can be more suitable to you as compared with the HR professor. So I was very much confused actually. I didn't understand what must be my next career move. So I was very in a confused mode, and I was not sure actually whether that HR career is suitable for me or not. So that's why I joined your course. And when firstly we had a one-to-one meeting. At that time I decided that definitely Sushant will definitely help me to give me a career clarity, because that was very much required for me at that time.
Right.
And that's why I joined this course. That actually proved actually my decision was correct actually, because I got a very good career clarity, because you just carried out 2 psychometric tests. First is the ideal career test, second is that 16 personality test, and after that actually you got all the inputs from me, and that includes feedback from my relatives and friends also, that career, your interest, your value, so that 67 areas. So, and based on results of that psychometric test plus this our discussion plus that my interest, feedback from others, so that you just counseled me and you just showed me a right path. So that was amazing actually. That is outstanding really. So because I got a confidence actually at that time, right. And because
now clarity is what you got because first, right? First thing that you got through this program is clarity, and then you were also able to create a vision for your career, right? 3-year
yes.
vision. So can you tell us more about your 3-year vision? Where do you want to be 3 years from now? Can you throw some light on that?
Because at that time I was clear, because you just told me that actually due to your nature, actually HR profession is a perfectly suitable job for you, because you can understand the nature of other people. You are having good analytical skill, counseling and such acting as a mediator, so that naturally comes to you. That you told me. Then I became 100% convinced that I am in a correct profession. So now I need to choose my small niche area actually. So that also you rightly advise me that even if you are having legal background or you are more inclined to legal field, no need to change the field at this point of time, because you told me that if you join CS course or if you join as a legal manager, that will be completely different field. So instead of that, you can focus in that labor industrial law employee relation area in HR itself. So that was actually perfect correct advice actually for me, and so that lead to increase in my confidence, increase in a motivation level. So I think, and based on that, I attended all the sessions actually. But first, what I get most of your program is a career clarity, because
Clarity, yeah.
actually
that was the primary challenge. Career
I didn't
clarity.
have career clarity.
So career clarity was your primary challenge, because
Yes.
you had multiple options in your mind. Now you have a single direction and you have focus, right, in terms of where you should be, what you should be doing next in your career. Now, Ninad, you have completed the program and you've been a very good student. You're committed to all the tasks. You've done a wonderful job in completing all the tasks in the program, and I do see the transformation that has happened in you. Now, from your perspective, what are some of the changes that you have observed in yourself, in your career, in your day-to-day work, in your life after completing this program?
I think my some colleagues as well as my friends also observed that. They told me now I am more focused, more confident, and that lead to increase in a performance in my work also. Because at that time, as due to lack of clarity, so I was thinking that I will change job and I will choose another path. I will do some other course. So I was not confused. So these things actually diverting my mind. So now after the course, I able to focus on my work actually, and actually we together prepared my skill development program. We just prepared we identified our skill gaps, and based on that we prepared a development program. So slowly but steadily I am also trying to make a development in those areas, as well as I am just using that daily routine rituals also every day. So that is also very powerful, and I think that is also leading to increase career clarity plus daily rituals, plus I am just doing every day, I am doing something for my personal improvement. So all this has lead to increase in my confidence. As well as now I can observe that this has lead to increase in my reputation image also in the mind of other employees in my company.
Very nice.
And I completed some tasks very successfully, because this year actually I rated as a outstanding performer actually.
Oh,
congratulations.
And my increment is so what you're saying is that
highest in my country, that increment I got, and I think.
Wonderful. I'm really happy to hear that. First of all, congratulations
for
get this outstanding performance recognition. Go ahead. You want to say something? Please complete.
Yes, because actually, really, Sushant sir, what you are doing now, so actually that is a service to the society, and that's help people actually to find their jobs. And if you are helping someone to find their path and to get his life sorted, so this is a service to society. This is I will not say this is not business, or this is not a profession. This is a service to society.
Thank you.
And you will get a lot of this, even if in terms of money, but people will 1,000 times or lakhs times they will get money in return. But money is only on one factor. But they will get a confidence, they will get a motivation, their life will be sorted, and it will lead to improvement in their personal and professional life also. So they will actually get a lot of things actually.
Wonderful.
So you will get a fantastic return. Beyond your imagination, you will get a returns actually. If you get a career clarity, especially that skill development plan and daily rituals, so these are very powerful actually.
Yeah.
So Everyone can
really,
do anything what you want.
Ninad, you are an action taker, right? So that's something I always appreciated. You are committed to completing all the tasks, and that's one of the reasons you are even to this day you are practicing the daily success ritual. You are working on training your mind. So that is what is producing the results. I'm really happy to hear that your performance has improved, your mindset shift has happened, so you are now operating in that success mindset zone. You know what skills to acquire, and more importantly you have the clarity in terms of what you want to achieve 3 years from now. What is the direction and destination in your career, right? So I'm really happy to hear these transformations.
Yes,
in fact, that is the objective behind designing this program, and somebody like you is a testimony that it works, right? That it produces results. So thank you for sharing your transformation, your wins.
Yes.
I have one last question for you. Now, what are one or two unique things about me that you found different in this program? Like, in terms of your expectations, in terms of mentorship, what are those one or two things that you found it's different, that this is the reason probably why it works?
First thing I would like to highlight is I think you are very empathetic, and that actually people can observe that only for money you are not working. So you are genuinely interested in the welfare of others. You are genuinely interested that others' life must be get sorted and others must get their correct career path. So that I found you that much empathy in you actually. So, and second thing is you are having very good understanding of human nature, as well as you are having a good maturity actually. So you can understand the other person's problem actually. What politics actually he is facing, he is in which situation. So based on that you can advise, you can give him a correct piece of advice. So that is also very much required. And in addition to this, I think that process and method you have developed now to get a career clarity, that 2 psychometric tests, first ideal career test, 16 personality test, after that analysis of value, interest,
the sweet spot of success.
And based on that, I think you conduct 1 or 2 sections. So that method process that I like most, because that is a unique, and I don't find such type of program in anywhere else. And once that basic foundation becomes strong due to this method, then rest of the things, then how to develop your skills knowledge, how to identify the correct skill and knowledge, daily rituals. So basic, I found that you prepare a very strong foundation first, that is career clarity, and based on that foundation, that other activities of that program is based. So that's a unique actually about you and about your program.
Thank you, Ninad. So this program, the Iconic Career Mentorship Program, is designed to help professionals like you to build successful, fulfilling, and meaningful careers. That is what I mean by iconic careers. So do you feel now that you are on that journey towards building an iconic career?
Yes, definitely.
Wonderful.
My journey has already begun, and that is a continuous journey. Right. So now I am sure that continuously I will develop in my career, and I will achieve some new milestone.
Are you able to get my support whenever you need me, whenever you have questions? Do you feel like that Sushant is always there to help me out even in the future, even after completing the program? Or do you feel like no, this program is over and I have to again make an effort to connect with Sushant? Like, what has been your experience?
No, I think you are easily accessible. So whenever, even after the program, if anyone require any support or help, definitely you are available.
Wonderful, Ninad. So thanks for your time, and thanks for sharing your feedback and your experience with the Iconic Career Mentorship Program and my mentorship. I wish you all the best, and we will stay in touch. Okay, you have a good day. Bye.
Yes, all the best. Have a good day.
Thank you.